Hello, this is Rika, an electric workshop learning guide. Today's lesson is to learn the simple combination logic gate application part through the PLC automatic control configuration of the part learned from the relay part in the electrical sequence. In this lesson, it is a learning example using a timer relay. Check the logic gate part on the right side of the screen. In the input, there are two timer contacts where the contact is immediately connected when power is supplied to the timer, and the contact is activated after a certain period of time has elapsed. And there is a push button PB2 below it. Here, the power supply to the timer is operated by push button PB1. Output has GL, RL, YL ramps. The set time of the timer is 10 seconds. Combination logic circuits can be configured by users in various ways. And below that is the PLC I/O part. Briefly explain the overall input-output part. When the user presses push button PB1, all lamps are turned on, and RL, YL lamps are turned off after 10 seconds of timer has elapsed. And if the user presses push button PB2 while pressing push button PB1 again, the YL lamp turns off immediately. And when the timer 10 seconds has elapsed, the RL lamp turns off. You can check how the combinational logic gate part changes through the characteristics of the timer relay. Let's look at each PLC wiring configuration part and PLC ladder part. We will also check the behavior of the given ladder results emulator and look at the results in our simulation.
Input on. Wiring breaker. Press the button. PB1. Release the button. PB1. Press the button. PB1. Press the button. PB2. Release the button. PB2. Release the button. PB1. Press the button. PB2. Press the button. PB1. Release the button. PB2. Release the button. PB1. Input off. Wiring breaker. Input on. Wiring breaker. Press the button. PB1. Release the button. PB1. Press the button. PB1. Press the button. PB2. Release the button. PB2. Release the button. PB1. Press the button. PB2. Press the button. PB1. Release the button. PB2. Release the button. PB1. Input off. Wiring breaker.
Thank you for watching. Check out the subscription and the like button. We will make more and more learning videos. Any other questions would be appreciated if you leave them in the comments below the video. We wish you a nice day.